Here we go. Example number 1. Marisa has twice as much money as Frank. Christina has $20 more than Marisa. If Christina has $100, how much money does Frank have? Let F represent the amount of money Frank has in dollars, and M represent the amount of money Marisa has in dollars. Very quickly, let's look at the information they gave us. I think we use the little pictures. Do you think that help you guys? Maybe? Okay, we'll try it. I'll try to do my best in terms of pictures. So we have Marisa. Okay. Oops. I told you guys that I'm not saying that I'm going to do my best. Marisa has long hair. So this is going to be Marisa. Ooh, terrible handwriting, Mrs. Las. And then we have Frank. Oh, you know what? Let's make Frank, the cool guy. So let's Frank here. And then Christina. Ooh, Christina. Oh, you know what? Oh, Christina, let's make her with a skirt. Oh, guys, I'm seriously. Okay, I need to take some art classes, right? Christina. So what do we know now that we have our pictures? Marisa has twice as money as Frank, okay? So let me see. She has twice as money. I'm going to just put, she has twice money as Frank, right? Whatever he has, Marisa has twice. Christina has $20 more than Marisa. Ooh, Christina has $20 more than Marisa. So whatever Marisa has, she has $20 more. If Christina has $100, how much money does Frank have? Ooh, interesting. So we need to know how much money my wonderful Frank has. So let's do the tape diagram. First of all, I always encourage you to work with the information they gave us. What is that they gave us? You can highlight if that helps. Let me see, right here, highlighting. Marisa is twice as Frank. And then Christina has 20 more than Marisa. And what else do we have? Christina has 100. Okay, and I know they want us to use F for Frank, and let F for Frank and M represent the amount of money for Marisa. Okay, just keeping that in your head is going to help us, okay? Let's draw a tape diagram to represent the amount of money that Frank has. What do we have, Frank? Okay, so let's do a tape diagram for Frank. Let me see if I can get my wonderful drawings here. Frank. Oh, you know what? I want to do it a little different. Here we go. Frank, let's make it color blue. Sure, just so we can keep track of Frank. And that is going to be Frank. Now you're gonna see my magic right now, guys. Okay, so that is Frank. Okay, whatever Frank has. We're gonna say Frank here. Or you can even put it inside. Draw a tape diagram to represent the amount of money Marisa has. We know Marisa has as double as Frank. Do you see how our pictures help? I know the pictures are not the best, but it helps. So what I'm going to do, whatever Frank has, we're going to do it double. 1, 2. And I know, guys, I know that I have magic and that you guys don't have that. But I am so sorry. Okay? Right? Didn't we say that Marisa has as double as Frank? So whatever Frank has, we got to have double, and that is Marisa's. And I know they told us use F. If you want to use the F for Frank, that's fine. And that is going to equal what Marisa has. They told us to use M. Draw a tape diagram to represent the amount of money Christina has. Look at this, what Christina has. Christina has $20 more than Marisa, okay? Look where the magic is going to happen. I got to do Marisa again. Marisa's tape diagram. 1, 2. And I know, guys, just bear with me. Oops. That is Marisa's, right? Right there. That is Marisa's. I'm still going to write F, guys. I'm not going to put the M in there because you're going to get confused. So that's Marisa's plus the $20 plus the $20. I'm going to have to do the $20 maybe somewhere there. Somewhere there. So that is the extra $20 that Christina has, right? Is that good? How is that, guys? You better say, Miss Islas, this is pretty awesome. You better say that, guys. No, I'm just kidding. No. It's just I just want to make sure that you guys get it right there. Okay, so now, which tape diagram provides enough information to determine the value of M? How can we determine how much Marisa has? Which one of the three gives us enough information? Because they told us, one second, I forgot this. They told us that Christina has a total of $100, right? This is over here. Christina has $100. So which one? 1, 2, or 3? Which one has enough information for us to find how much money is going to be Marisa's? Is it going to be the first one? Is it going to be the second one? Which one is going to give us? This is what Frank has. And then Marisa has twice as Frank, whatever this amount, twice. And then, who said that? Alex, you're awesome. Yes, because this one, they gave us the amount. We can kind of figure it out what will be the amount for this one, right? Yeah? Which tape diagram provides enough information? We are going to say Christina's. Christina's taped diagram gives us enough information to find out how much money Frank has, how much money Marisa has, and how much is the value of F. Write an equation. Ready, guys? This is the equation. Okay, what do we have the equation? Please don't discourage yourself about doing it. Frank plus Frank. I'm going to get Christina's information. I'm going to just put it here so you can see it. Right there. And then I can get Marisa's information. Right? Put it right there. And then I can get Frank's information. Oh, tell me that this is pretty awesome, guys. Frank's. We wrote the name of Frank, but it's like F, right? So what do we have? We have Frank's plus Christina, right? So it's F plus F. Or if I wanted to kind of put it on top of each other like I did on the other one, that also helps. Check it out. If I put it on top, I know it's hard to do it. Top and top, what is the equation now that we have? F plus F plus 20, right? Equals the $100. Remember that the word twice is the same thing as 2 times something, right? 2 times something. So if I do F plus F, that is going to give me 2F. So this part here is the same thing as that. Plus your 20 equals 100. Now, if I take away the 20 from the 100, if I take away the 20, oops, let's do another color. If I take away the 20, so we got rid of the 20, right? Got rid of the 20, which is we got to do it from both sides because we got it from this side, we got to get it from the other side. Subtract 20, subtract 20. You see, I gave you the answer. 100 minus the 20. You see where I was getting the 80 from? It's 80. And then those two disappear, and then you end up with your 2F. The 2F equals the 80 is the 2F here. Do you guys see that? And then now we got to decide, wait, this 2 equals 80. So what will be the value of each F? Well, if we have 2 parts that equal 80, it's the same thing as the opposite of multiplying is dividing by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Then your answer is going to be the HF is going to have a value of 40. You guys see that? So then we already know that this is 40, and that is 40, 80, plus your 20, plus your 20, it's 100. So that works. Then we go on the other ones and add 40 to each one. So now we know what? Now we know that Marisa had what? How much money? Marisa had 40, twice as Frank, so Marisa had 80. And then Frank had 40. How is that, guys? Isn't that pretty cool that you can do that? And it's just like, it looks like a lot, guys, but just to make sure that we help your brain understand what your brain is doing. And just keep the method that is going to help you understand things better. Choose if it's going to be the tape diagrams, if it's going to be the algebraic methods, or use some little pictures to help you make more sense of the information they gave you.